Hajj is one of the five pillars of Islam. It takes place in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, the holiest city in Islam. Muslims from all over the world gather to perform Hajj. Pilgrims wear simple white garments to represent humility. Hajj rites are performed over a period of 5 to 6 days. On the first day of Hajj, a smaller pilgrim Umrah takes place in Mecca. The pilgrim perform rituals like circling the Kaaba and visiting Mount Arafat. Hajj commemorates the journey of Prophet Ibrahim and his family. It is a religious duty for those who can afford it. It is a journey of self discovery and forgiveness.